In 2021, FCPS was named a School Division of Innovation by the Virginia Board of Education for our work bringing the portrait of a graduate to life, making sure that every student has the skills to be successful in their future. These are portfolios of work students build throughout the year. Along with traditional tests, students complete performance-based tasks that require them to synthesize content knowledge with skills like critical and creative thinking and communication to address real-world challenges.
You're going to talk about the current event that the person you're looking at exhibit talked about, and then you're going to give like a reflection. So what you thought about it and how you think it relates to civics, okay? And then at the very, very, very bottom, there's a reflection. So you're looking at 3 exhibits, and then you're going to look at the reflection about it, okay? So what did you used to think about whatever topic? Now you think, and what are you wondering? Remember we talked about potential future outcomes, right? So what do you think could happen in the future regarding this topic?
We've learned so many things this year. We've learned about the different branches of government, we've learned about citizenship, we've learned about the Constitution. And so what they're tasked to do is find a current event that they find important to them or something they find interesting or significant, and they get to decide how that connects to all of the topics we've learned about. They get to create a museum exhibit project, they get to have something physical to make that connection, and then they write an exhibit placard that shows their understanding of how that current event connects to the units that we've talked about. I get to see my students do things that they like and that they're excited about, the fact that they have choice, and not only understanding or choosing what topic they want to talk about, but being able to choose what physical product they want to build and how they want to showcase it to their peers is really great to see. It makes my teacher heart really happy to watch them thrive in their environment.
At NASA Kennedy Center.
I picked the Artemis II launch. The last moon launch was 50 years ago, so I thought it was really cool, people going up to space, and I love the idea of space, so it was really nice for me to express what I liked and what I wanted to build.
It's really awesome to get them to engage with one another, engage in a group setting. Sharing it with their peers also deepens their understanding because they might not have made that connection, gives them that ability to just deepen their connection, widen their perspective, and makes them better citizens in the future and maybe more participatory citizens in the future as well.
It shows who you are and like what kind of person you are and your creativity.
I liked how we could actually make the project instead of just writing an essay about it.
It lets you explore what you're actually interested in.
You gotta really learn about what we actually liked and dive deeper into it and just learn more.
This approach reflects the goals of the School Division of Innovation initiative: to move beyond traditional practices and improve learning while preparing students to be college and career ready. Having the opportunity for students to be able to demonstrate their knowledge in a way that provides them with choice in how they share their understanding. VDOE can examine the practice and potentially take it to scale across the state. So that means that the work that we're doing here in Fairfax County not only impacts our thousands of students, but can truly have an impact on all of the students in the Commonwealth of Virginia.